Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby and today's video will be blending color 27 and 33. This video was requested by Nokuthaba. I really hope I pronounced that right. Went over to Google to make sure I got the correct pronunciation. And you have a very beautiful name, sis. Found out Nokuthaba means mother of happiness or joy. Please let me know in the comment section if I am correct. Moving on, she requested that we do a color 27 and 33, and that is exactly what we'll be doing in this video. I'm going to be doing this blend the same way I did the previous blend. In case you don't already know, I am posting blend requests throughout this week. I already posted one where I blended burgundy and color 30. It will be linked in the description box below, so check it out if you are interested. However, how I'm blending is that I'll be blending more of color 27 and less of color 33, and also blend more of color 33 and less of color 27, just to let you know what the blend will look like in different ratios. At the end of this video, I'll be showing you what each blend looks like when braided and twisted, so please watch till the end. I'll stop talking right now and let you enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, the only way you can say thank you is by supporting the channel. And how do you support the channel? By liking the videos, subscribing, turning on post notification, leaving beautiful comments in the comment section below, watching the video till the end, and spreading the good words of the channel. I want to believe you have done all this, because what are you waiting for? I'll see you in my next one. Bye.